to book a flight online with Turkish Airlines. So first thing you need to do is you have to go ahead on the available browser right here. So that says turkishairlines.com. And there you will be welcomed with the option between flight, holidays, check-in, manage booking, and flight status. So after that, you just have to click this flight because we're booking a flight on this website. So you just have to click on this option. Next is you have to choose between the type of trip that you want to choose. So you just have to click between these options right here. So for example, I want to click one way, and then next is you have to fill all these details that you want to put. So for example, where are you coming from? So you just have to put this one, and then the destination that you want to go to, and the dates that you have chosen for your flight. So for example, choose a departure date, for example this date, and then your comeback date is, so since it's one way, so you just have to click on one date. So after that you have to click OK, and then the number of passengers, for example one adult. So next is, so you will have a note here that says for student passengers and other passengers on international flight search operation must be performed separately. So for example, you want to click on two adults, and then once you're done filling this form, so you also have an options between seat selection, extra baggage, book a hotel, rent a car, and travel insurance, gift card. So you just have to click on this one to see all the details on how you can request on their another offering. So after that, you have to search flights, and there you will kind of see the menu that will be available on the dates that you desire. So for example, this is the best price, so you just have to click on this one, and package details will appear. So you just have to read on these options right here. And then for example, you want to click this price, and then you will be already welcome with this menu. So you just have to continue on the bottom part of the screen. So for example that one, and there you will be welcome with the passenger details. So you just have to fill all the forms, and after that you can click this checkbox right here, and you can click continue, and you will be welcome again in another page until you reach on the payment method. So you just have to fill all the forms until you get to the payment method, and there you can successfully book a flight in Turkish Airlines. So that's how to book a flight online with Turkish Airlines. So if you want to ask questions, leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.